Ha! Hey everyone, Hassan here. I wanted to do another little video because I've shown Vicky off one of our Quaker Parrot a while ago that we had, and she's very attached to my mom and everything, but we got a new Quaker Parrot recently. It's only been like 2 weeks. This is Kiwi. So this is Kiwi right here, and I wanted to show you that she really likes the 3DS. So here we go. I got Mario Kart right here. Well, let's see what she does. She's trying to play. Come on, play! You wanna play? Ready? Let's dance. Come on, dance. Dance, Kiwi. Ready? Let's dance. Come over here. Let's dance. Yeah! You like the music? Kiwi. Kissy. Good bird. Good bird. Boots, cats, boots, cats, boots, cats, boots, cats. Boots, cats, boots, cats, boots, cats, boots. I'm gonna play tug of war with our new Quaker Parrot, Kiwi. Kiwi! Come on, let's play tug of war. Can you give it to me? Can you share? Share, please. Oh, you dropped it. Alright, hold on, let me get it for you. That's the iPhone. She's saying hi, everybody. She's saying hi to the iPhone. Alright, here it is. Here it is. Tug of war. Ready? Grab it. Come on. Kiwi. Hey, you took it from me. Hey. Give it to me. Can I have it, please? I want to play with you. Can I have it? Hey, behave. Oh. You dropped it again? Alright, let me get it. That would be my dad snoring in the background. Here, tug of war. This is mine. This is mine. Hey! Yeah! This is mine. You like the iPhone? Say hi. Alright, can you hold this? Alright, let me give you a kissy. Kissy. Don't run away from me. Watch, ready? Here, come here. Up. Up. Come on, give a kissy. Where'd you go? Why are you hiding behind me? Hey! Come here. Look, there's an iPhone. Say hi. Don't be camera shy. There you go. There you go. Come forward more. Come forward more.
Say hello.
Ready? Hello. Hey, don't bite. That's not nice. Are you scared now? What's wrong? Say hello. Hello. She doesn't want it. No? You want to play with the camera? Say hi. Okay, it's time to say bye. Can you say bye? Say bye, Kiwi. Bye. Say bye. Hi, Kiwi. Why are you tugging on my shirt? Oops. You're right up in the camera. Say hi, Kiwi. She's very fascinated by seeing herself in the camera. Why are you tugging on this? What are you doing? Say hi. Hello. Hello. Where are you going? Where are you going? All right, you want to go back? You want to go back? Let's go back. Let's go back. You want to go back? Back to your cage. There you go. Kiwi also really likes this mirror, although she like chews up the wood. If I let go of this, she'll yank it. Kiwi! Hey, that's my finger. Watch, she'll knock on the wood too. Look at it, ready? Knock. I guess she's not really in the mood to knock. There we go. When she hears that sound, she likes to knock. Hey, Kiwi! Kiwi, look, ready? Ready, look. Can you knock? Look. No. That's my finger. Can you not? And here's Vicky as usual. Hi, Vicky! She's still very angry against me. She just likes our mom. But Kiwi is very friendly and very curious. Vicky would be scared of everything, but Kiwi is a very curious bird. Okay, Kiwi, time to say bye to everybody. I'll move this away. Can you say bye? Say bye. Bye. She just wants her mirror. Okay, fine, have your mirror. Bye-bye.